gotta show you Snirt. This is not a super old door. This is like a new door, and this is new seals. Look at this. Let me show you this. Look at this. Look at that. Snirt's getting in. This is like people say, I got a new door with new seals. Yeah, it's like wearing a hospital gown in the middle. Okay, look what that's doing. What? It's snirting. This is Snirt. Look at this. That's not doing anything. Look at that. You think that's doing? Mark, open up the door. Look at that. I mean, let's close it again. Close it again. Close it. Yep. I want to show these folks this. It goes down real slow. We're going to trim this a little bit. Help them out there. Even up here now, I want to show you this. This is more Snirt happening. Look at this. Okay, we're about 50 degrees. Look at this. We're thinking. We're thinking. It's like when you have a hospital gown. Oh, there's not much to think because you're totally exposed. Look, it's still not adhered to it. And down here, this is normal protocol. Horrible snirting that's happening with these new seals. We're going to seal them up with some really good stuff. Look at that. Now, I know that's black. We're going to use white. But look at this compared to this flimsy stuff. Bathing suits would cover more essentials than what this is doing right here. No essentials are being covered, folks.